Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to wrap a picture in line with text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app, then go to the insert menu, then click image and click upload from computer, then select the image, click open. Then click the image and go to the image option, then go to the text wrapping and click in line with text. Resize the image, then click in front of text and click in line with text. Here you can see wrap a picture in line with text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.